What's good, YouTube, man? We are here at Raleigh Triangle Mall. I hope there ain't no wind right now, man. I know the wind is crazy. It's a nice day today, man. I figured I'd hit y'all with a mall vlog. Man, I hope the wind is not killing y'all right now. I'm so sorry if it is. I haven't dropped a vlog in a while. I've been really busy this week. But I'm gonna start dropping bangers after bangers after bangers pretty soon. I'm on feet today. We got those Sweet Life Hardens with the Rugrat socks. You know what I'm saying? We swagged out today, man. It's a nice day today. That's my shirt. Got the Pinky and the Brain joint. Whatever. Yeah, man. I feel like we do a mall vlog. There's a lot of sneakers coming out today, man. I mean, not today, but just this week in general. So many different kicks. We're here in the mall. Whatever. And I think they got a DTLR in here. Yeah, they got DTLR in here. So I think that's the store that has the 93, the Air Max 93 that I'm interested in. So let's go check it out. Peace. All right, first we over here at Champs, man. Wanted to check out a few things here today while we out here. Man, I'm really feeling these Bo Jacksons, man, for real. What y'all think about these Bo Jacksons? These them lows, Lebron lows right here. Pretty much, these is alright. I definitely want to try on those Bo Jacksons. How you doing? Alright, man, we're leaving out of Champs, man. Those Bo Jacksons was tough, man. Damn, I like them shits. Man, those was tough. Like I said, man, that lady only had one. She only had one size 12 left, too. It's like, man, there's so many other sneakers coming out this week. It's so hard to choose on which one we want. You know what I'm saying? It's so hard to choose which one we want. But, hey, it is what it is. Let's go check out DTLR. Cause I know Foot Locker ain't got nothing in there as usual. Foot Locker don't ever have nothing dope in there. And yeah, man, just be right back. You know what, man? I changed my mind. We gonna go ahead to Foot Locker. Let's check it out. Let's see what Foot Locker got. But before we do that, I wanted to drop some knowledge for y'all, other YouTubers out there. If you do a mall vlog, the best time to go is in the morning. You know what I'm saying? Like, do a mall vlog, go in the morning. Get your stuff knocked out, because in the afternoon or later on in the evening, that's when everybody's out here, and then you just look crazy with a camera in your hand. You know what I'm saying? And you also look crazy talking to yourself. People be looking at you like, man, what in the world? So when you go in the morning, you don't look as crazy. So, oh my God, look what they got. We about to have a problem on our hand. Hold up. Bag is secure. I picked up some limited heat, man. Oh, I can't believe they got these things sitting. That's crazy. But I had to pick these up. Somebody returned them, and it just so happened to be my size, so I definitely had to cop. And man, I don't even know how to do it on foot with these things. I just know these is some heat. So happy I got these things, man, definitely. But we can still go check out DTLR and see what they got cooking. You're over here at DTLR, man. I just came in here. They got Tinkers on the wall, bro. Like, just marinating. Tinkers just sitting right here, bro. And not only do they got Tinkers sitting, Clay Greens is sitting too. It's crazy, man. I just made a bold move, you know what I mean? It was either this or that type thing. And I went with some heat down there. I got some heat to show y'all. Well, y'all pretty much, y'all seen it in the glass already, but you know what I mean, it is what it is. But let's get home and come to the review on these things. Oh, by the way, here go the Davies right here. Davey got these joints. They straight. All right, y'all. Let's get on out of here. Peace. All right, y'all. So this is what I picked up today, man. These LeBron cereals, bro. You already seen it, man, in the window. I can't believe that Foot Locker had it. We weren't even gonna go in Foot Locker today, which is crazy. But thank God we did, man, because I was able to get some limited heat. You know what I mean? So I'm not gonna really do a review on the shoe. But I told y'all, man, in the beginning of the year, we getting nothing but heat this year, bro. Nothing but heat, man. These go so hard. And I had to have at least one LeBron in my collection. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I could do it on foot. I will tell you this. Justin Timberlake, he does his on tour. He's on tour right now. And I do see him wearing LeBrons while he's dancing or whatever. And he wears a lot of Air Max 270s or whatever. Although I was the first one. I'm sorry, Air Force 270s. Although I was the first one to do an actual dance in Air Force 270s. But anywho, and of course he dances in those Tinkers, but he also dances in LeBron 15s. So I may be able to pull something off for y'all with these, man. But these are so fire, man. These shoestrings look like milk to me. You know how when you done with your when you done with the cereal and then that milk got this like pink haze to it, you know what I mean? Like that's what these give off, man. These are so fire, bro. I had to have at least one LeBron, bro. Look at the glass in the back. Like, that's crazy. That was crazy, man. So, you know, I had to choose these over my Tinkers. I mean, I'm sorry. I had to choose these over those Katrinas this weekend. I think it was a good choice. You know what I mean? I feel like those Katrinas, if not only they're not going to sit, I think they'll restock definitely. So, you know what I mean? Without further ado, man, I don't know if I'm gonna do it on foot. I got something different for y'all today, but if y'all do want to see these on foot, leave a comment down below and I'll definitely do something crazy for y'all with these sneakers, man. It's your boy Mr. Entertainment, and we're gonna move to something else that I had planned for you guys today. Be right back. What's good, YouTube? I told you guys we'll be back with another piece of heat for you guys, man. I got something special for y'all today, man. We are actually gonna try to clean some sneakers today, man. Look at these. These are my NMDs, man. I got, these things are dirty. The light is kind of washing them out. But they're a little dirty, man, if you can't see. Let's see right here. And guess what? I got my daughter with me, man. What's your name, babe? Lanaya. Yeah, and she's going to help us out, man. We got Cream City Kicks, man. They sent us some solution. Yes, sir, man. They sent us a couple of bottles, matter of fact. And these guys definitely looked out for your boy. Once again, they are Cream City Kicks, man. And we got some rules, man, some instructions on how to use these this solution, man. You want to go over the instructions real quick?
Shake bottle well for 10 seconds. Squeeze solution along bristles of brush. Dip brush into bowl of water. Shake of excess water from brush. Scrub shoe. Wipe shoe dry. Allow shoe to dry 1 to 2 more hours.
First, what we're going to do, shake the bottle well for 10 seconds. Let's do that, man. Shake the bottle for 10 seconds. Go ahead. Shake it, shake it, shake it. All right. All right, so we shook our bottle for 10 seconds. We got Lanaya's workstation. Oh, we can't forget the shoes, man. Man, these are so tore up, man. These are my beaters. But I love these shoes so much, man. These are the NMD olive and chalk colorway, Champs exclusive. I wear these a lot, as you can see. These are my beaters, man. These are what I run to or whatever. And they need a little bit of cleaning, man. Look at my toe. I got some dirt over here or whatever. But we got Lanaya over here. Where's our brush at, babe? We got our trusty brush right here in the building. Yes, sir. You ready, babe? All right, so what's the first thing we do? We shook it already for 10 seconds. Now we got to squeeze the solution into the brush bristles. All right, so let's open that up. All right, let's take our trusty brush that they supplied us with. Now, we'll tell you, when you guys do get the solution, for right now, it does not come with a brush. This was sent to me extra by them, but later on throughout their journey on growing with the company, they will be having a brush with them, right, babe? All right, so they got us a brush. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna drizzle a little bit of this solution onto the brush bristles. So let's see, let's pop the top right here, just like that. And then we're gonna drizzle that, just like that. You see that? Drizzle, 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 boom. All right, so now we did that part. Now number 3 says dip the brush into a bowl of water. You ready for that? Dip it in there, just a little bit. All right, and now let it shake off. That's what number 4 tells us to do. Now what we're gonna do next is scrub the shoe. Let's do it. YouTube, man. So is it all done tonight? Did you get it? All right, man. We did our brush, we did the solution, we did everything we're supposed to do. Now we have to dry it and then let it sit for how long?
1 to 2 hours.
Awesome. All right, cool. All right, bet. So here's your towel. And go ahead with the drying procedure. YouTube, man, we all finished up, man. We got this sneaker dried up. We did our solution and everything. Now it's all dried up with our towel and everything. I got Lania's help today. Thank you, Lania. That's awesome, man. My daughter helped me out, man. Shout out to the people once again at Cream City Kicks, man. They really looked out for me, man, and sent me some bottles that I'm definitely gonna have to share with you guys, man. Lania helped me out today, man. Thank you so much. And without further ado, it's your boy, Mr. Entertainment, bringing you that entertainment.
Before you even knew what entertainment.
Easy.